Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to put parental control on your child's Android phone. First is to install the Google Family Link app by going to Google Play Store and search for Google Family Link. Install it on both your device and your child's device, other mobile device like tablet, etc. Open the app on your device. Launch Family Link on your phone by tapping Open. Sign in with your Google account. Use the Google account you'll use to manage your child's device. Then hit Continue. Now, tap on Add Child and tap Yes. Grab your child's device. On the child's device, open the settings, then Google, go to All Services section, then tap Parental Controls. Then you have to provide the PIN to proceed. Link the devices. Follow the code or sign in instructions to link your account to your child's device. Once you link both devices, follow the next step. Set screen time limits. In the Family Link app on your phone, go to the Screen Time. Here, go to Time Limits. Then make sure to toggle on Daily Limit. Then go to Weekly Schedule to set daily screen time limits. Once you make changes, tap on Done. Set bedtime or device downtime. Tap on the lock to lock the child's phone instantly. Manage app downloads and usage. Review app activity. Approve or block apps. And set filters. For example, block adult content by going to Controls, then tap on Google Chrome and Web. Then toggle Try to block explicit sites. Now go back and tap on Google Search. Then choose Off to enable to see the explicit images. Track device location and lock remotely. Now go back again by tapping the arrow from the top left. Then go to Location. Here, you can check your child's location and lock the phone remotely using Family Link. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.